Hi guys, a very good morning. So a few days ago, we were all seized with this story of Paradzai Mesi was accused of breaking into a shop, and we all knew about his release and other stuff after the audio from his son and a radio presenter. But Mudiwa Hood came to the rescue. Mudiwa Hood came and rescued Paradzai Mesi because Paradzai Mesi has been ridiculed for a very long time because he's a very brilliant singer, a very nice singer, a very talented singer. But he's gone down the drain. There's nothing to show. There's nothing to show in his career. So Mudiwa Hood came to the rescue and donated some stuff to Paradzai Mesi. This includes Masutu, Chi. And on this, which is on the screen, Mudiwa Hood is saying that he invited Paradzai Mesi to Harare and he paid the fees for the children, or he will pay fees for the children. He prayed for him. He lectured him on new strategies on how to make money. He went to his boutique and he gave him a suit. And lastly, he went with him to Spa and he bought some groceries for him. He said enough until he's back onto his feet. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. On this video, I'm just thanking that good gesture from Mudiwa Hood because sometimes we need to assist each other. We need to help each other. They're both artists, or those are Kuma Mudiwa Singanyatsogun as well than Paradzai, but they're both artists, and the other with much privileges can help the other without. And I hope that Mr. Mudiwa Hood is going to help Kuma Para to actually have his own projects, to actually have his own place where he can run his own things. Because life paper farm, sometimes you don't know kuti uchagara pafarm ipapo kusvika rini and so forth. So sometimes you just find it difficult for you to do some developments panzvimbo yaunenge uri. And at the end of the day, unosara usina chinhu, unosara uri munhu ari poor because hauna any other development yaunenge wakaita. So I hope kuti Mukoma Para achabatsirwa kuti vanyatsowana a solid background yavanorely on, such that pese pavanenge vakuita madhiraunds zvinhu zvese zvinenge zvakufaya. You need guidance, you need probably you need a manager. I hope kuti Mudiwa can help Mukoma Para kuti vave ne-YouTube account, Facebook account, then ogara achita kuti vaproduce, because vanoproduce music inonakidza, inodakara, inotapira. So if he manages to do that, kuti ave consistent in terms of doing his work, he might come out good. So Team Zimbabwe, let us just thank this good gesture, no matter what differences, Nana Mukoma Mudiwa. But this is something good. He is the only person who came out to assist. Vamwe vese vana Coventry, vanani vakangonyarara vari even though vari ma-ministers, shoti the minister of what, minister of Dzungu, minister of grabbing farms, minister of waka. Those are not gonna. But this is good, Team Zimbabwe. I love you all. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for the contributions you have been placing right here on this platform, African Beyond Television Network. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts. My name is Ronald Wekwama Kusha.